The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory (FCT) wey be Mr. Nyesom Wike on Wednesday wey be the 21st day of August for inside this year 2024, im don rule out the possibility of settling the banter wey im get with the Rivers State Governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara. Oga Wike say lie to lie, e no possible say im go come be friends last and im go come later settle with the Rivers State Governor, and he say there is no going back on this indecision about Fubara matter. In the yarn all this some good people when in dey address a media parley to mark in 1 year in office as the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. And for inside this media parley, Oga Wike come dey talk plenty. He say im dey very much focused on delivering the mandate of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and im no dey support Fubara. Im come still dey yarn my good people say im bin fight for Governor Siminalayi Fubara to become governor in good conscience without any regrets, and now in the talk say he no wan be part of the family, no wahala. Even RI0T wey bring Tinubu come board, but today he no dey support the president again. So in all honesty, he can tell country people say there is no going back, and im people know very well say as im don yarn am, so shall it be. And last people no dey play politics of integrity, but him wey be Wike, im dey play am. And na dem tell am say make im dey in day, so make dem allow am make im dey in day kwanu, and the matter e no dey worry am at all because im dey focused on the mandate wey Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu give am for inside the Federal Capital Territory. All this talk, my good people, dey come from the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey be Nyesom Wike, and im dey yarn this one for inside the media parley to mark in 1 year in office. And my good people, you know say Mr. Nyesom Wike and Siminalayi Fubara, both of them don dey go bomber to bomber. They don dey banter since for political power since Governor Siminalayi Fubara just enter office as governor. Now this face off, this quarter between these two, e don affect the State House of Assembly. E come make them now come divide. Now despite the attempts by the President wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu and other ogbonge political stakeholders to settle these people their crisis, like the things still dey continue. And still on the things wey happen for inside the media parley, Minister Nyesom Wike come dismiss the claims by elder statesman wey be Edwin Clark, say e dey use im influence with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to take intimidate Governor Siminalayi Fubara of Rivers State. Normally, my good people, when somebody sama this kind accuse give another person, say im dey use im influence, im dey use higher authority to dey intimidate person wey get lesser authority. You understand? The person is supposed to like deny am small. Instead of that, Mr. Nyesom Wike come dey advise Governor Siminalayi Fubara say make him stand firm and make him face the crisis head on. According to the past Rivers State Governor wey be Nyesom Wike, he say leadership e dey require resilience in the face of challenges. Na challenges na dey make person dey strong. He come dey talk about the kind experience wey im get as governor. He say during im time im face similar challenges too, but he no complain give anybody, he no blame anybody, and he no accuse ethnic groups. He say he no know the party chief clerk wey im belong to, but for inside the year 2014 when im come outside to run for governor, the chief clerk say no because na the turn of the Ijaw. He say nothing go make him wey be Wike win, but glory be to God, last him come win. Now even as that, he no be bad person when he come support an Ijaw man to be governor, but he come become bad person because issues now don dey. He say he no get anything wey this clerk never talk, but he don vow say he no go ever respond. The clerk talk about Southern president, he support the clerk. The clerk talk about power rotation to the south, he believe in that one, so he support. So which crime now wey he don commit? For inside leadership, everything must not be smooth. Him too, he face his own crisis when he been dey inside office as governor. He face the crisis squarely, he face them head on, and everybody see the things wey the federal government do am when he be governor. He accuse any ethnic group? No. If anybody now come find himself or inside any leadership position, that person suppose be able to stand firm and face any crisis wey come in way. That is what politics is all about. Sometimes it is good and the other times e no good at all. And the FCT minister wey be Nyesom Wike, im don plaster, im don stand gidigba, im say im no dey go anywhere. Im never ready to join the All Progressive Congress. Im don talk am before and im dey talk am again. The work wey im dey do there now, it was handed to him by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and im dey very much focused on achieving the task wey dey for im hand. So he say im dey very much dedicated to the People's Democratic Party despite the opposition from the state governor, despite the banter wey im get with Siminalayi Fubara, despite the political crisis and other party leaders including former Vice President Atiku Abubakar. Despite all the quarrel, im don vow to fight all of them as to correct the injustice wey dey within the party and to ensure say the rights of members are very much protected. The Minister of FCT wey be Oga Nyesom Wike, im come still dey yarn for inside this media parley, im come dey yarn dey give country pipo. He say he want to clarify, say this appointment wey President Bola Ahmed Tinubu give am to be Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, e no reach to make am comot body from the People's Democratic Party. Rather, this na testament to im conviction in the ability of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to address the country's challenges, and this na motivate am to support President Bola Ahmed Tinubu candidacy for inside the 2023 general elections. All this one, my good people, dey come from Nyesom Wike wey be the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, and im still yarn this one for inside the media parley, and im yarn am sake of say Edwin Clark be don dey yarn say make dem expel am from the People's Democratic Party wey be im own party, and dem come dey accuse Nyesom Wike say im dey try to destroy Rivers State with all the actions, with all the banter wey im dey give Siminalayi Fubara wey be the governor of the state. And Mr. Nyesom Wike reaction, e dey come a day after the People's Democratic Party Board of Trustees go declare their support for Governor Siminalayi Fubara based on the ongoing kwata, the ongoing face-off wey dey happen between the governor and Mr. Nyesom Wike wey be im predecessor and the current Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. So this my good people, na the informate wey as make I share give all of una. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside our nation Nigeria. So if you would like to receive legit news, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first receive the updates and you go get am sharp. And abeg try make you dey share the news to your family and friends, make them too they know wetin dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. I dey bring another legit information for you, my good people. Abeg no go anywhere.